There is a giant bull with another decent one, but man, the bull to the right is giant. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Oh, I wish I could zoom in more. Look at that giant bull. He's got drop tines on the back. Look at the spread. Oh gosh, I wish you could see how big that sucker is. He is so wide. The elk next to him would be like amazing to see during the hunt. 1, 2, 3. So the bull next to him to the left is a 5x5. The bull to the right, staring right at me, is giant. I cannot tell. 1, 2. Oh, look at that rack. 1, 2. He's at least a 6x6, if not a set, if not more. Oh, where's the good camera that I could zoom in? Look at these giant elk. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Come this way. Yeah, they're running towards me. Come on. Oh. Those are, oh, look, there's, oh my gosh, there's somebody trying to sneak down. They're either going to spook them this way or they're going to go get them. Trying to get a close-up picture. That bull right there is a monster. 1, 2, 3. That's at least a 7x7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's at least 7. That one's a 5x5. And look at that majestic animal tromping through the snow.